Hi, this is Jeff from Fortinet Product Management. Today, I would like to spend a few minutes to introduce some of the latest development in Fortinet Identity Access Management IAM portfolio. When we refer to identity access in Fortinet, we talk about a few products. FortiAuthenticator, which provides user authentication and MFA with VM or hardware options. FortiIdentity Cloud, which is a SaaS version of the identity service. And also FortiPAM, Privileged Access Management, which secures privileged accounts and sensitive system access. Now, let's start with FortiAuthenticator. In the recent major version 8 release, there's a few things to highlight, such as a new VM subscription-based per-user licensing option, suitable for users with OpEx budget. Other key features worth noting includes Microsoft Intune and Azure integration with FortiAuthenticator as the CA, issuing certificates for users and devices which can be used for VPN, Wi-Fi, wired access using strong IP TLS authentication, bringing better user experience without fiddling around with passwords. Another version 8 feature this is used is custom SAML attributes. This can be used for fabric devices such as FortiGate, FortiManager, and Analyzer, allowing users to log in with different ADOMs, VDOMs, with custom admin access profiles, perfect for MSSPs managing access for their customers. The last highlight for Authenticator includes our Phase 1 FortiGuest merge, allowing advanced captive portals to be created with different color schemes and customized messages. Now, let's move to FortiIdentity Cloud. FortiIdentity Cloud is a cloud-native solution that eliminates the need for additional hardware or software deployments. Administration is all from the cloud. Being cloud-native means it scales well and can be deployed in multi-regions around the globe, closer to your users, or limited to specific regions for data privacy and regulatory compliance. In 2025 Q4 release, FortiIdentity Cloud offers ZTNA tunnels for hybrid identity access management. Local Active Directories can be synced to Identity Cloud using a Zero Trust server native to FortiGate, FortiProxy, or FortiPAM. Also, enhancements in existing adaptive authentication policies allows MFA to be bypassed for a known device for a specific time interval, bringing better user experience by eliminating unnecessary logons for the environment. Lastly, SSOs are listed under the Monitor section in FortiIdentity Cloud admin portals. When end users are logged on to the IDP, administrators can choose to view or terminate those SSO sessions as required. Lastly, we'll take a look at the new features in FortiPAM, Privileged Access Management. One of the features I liked about FortiPAM is the users do not need to remember or save any credentials. FortiPAM will automatically rotate the credentials vault for you, such as corporate VPNs, Wi-Fi, or API keys, providing the least privilege a users or administrators requires to carry out their tasks. All sessions are monitored, recorded, and can be audited if required, ensuring your enterprise secrets are secure and kept them away from adversaries. In the upcoming Q4 version 1.8 release, FortiPAM will bring new features such as concurrent user licensing, FortiSRA consolidation. FortiSRA stands for Secure Remote Access, a solution that protects OT environments for providing a secure, browser-based access for remote employees. Also, multiple tunnel supports for fake clients, which requires multi-ports to open in order to operate successfully. Remote PowerShells can also be executed directly from FortiPAM to a targeted system, eliminating the need for direct connections. Guest role customization is also added for contractors or guests to include more secure branding and styling and data points. Lastly, version 1.8 provides the ability to automatically disable or delete legacy users to ensure they cannot authenticate via FortiPAM. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the short updates for Fortinet IAM family. For further information, please do visit our documentation and videos website for the free products. Thanks for watching.